DRP needs maintenance and evaluation on a timely basis. Now, at least once a year, the DRP plan should be reevaluated to make sure of its effectiveness. Changes will be made as necessary. In some organizations, you're probably going to perform a drill every year.
Yes, and when performed, drills should focus on both equipment and personnel, as the operations cannot continue with one of them missing.
Mm-hmm.
An off-site drill is performed to check the effectiveness of a DRP and find the gaps, and there's no way to identify the gaps without simulating a disaster.
No.
This method involves transporting systems, data, and personnel to off-site locations such as a warm site, and operating the systems as if a disaster has occurred.
That's right, Laura. Now, the ultimate way to simulate DRP is when you use a hot site or mirrored site, and you cut over the connection between the two sites and operate from the hot site.
Mm-hmm.
Gaps identified by each way should be updated to the DRP.
Mm-hmm. And in case of a disaster, stakeholders of a given organization should be notified as the first step of recovery. Stakeholders are not only the owners, but also the management team, clients, employees, investors, suppliers, and board management.
Mm-hmm.
Usually there will be an incident manager to perform the recovery process with his team. And the DRP should define step by step the actions taken in a specific disaster.
That's right. Damage assessment can determine the next step for incident response teams, whether a recovery to another location should be performed or actions can be taken on the same primary location. DRP is a long planning and simulating scenario, and is the last policy to be written after risk management, security policy, incident policy, and business continuity planning.